So you might recall I made a slender tapered punch from one of these pieces of YK30 steel. I'm reworking that piece to make an all-in-one slitter-to-round punch. A small punch like this picks up a lot of heat, and so I frequently quench between heats. And I noticed that a crack started to develop on the very end. This YK30 steel is very hard at almost 1% carbon, and so I think I'm going to rework it and then leave it in a normalized state. Another thing I should do is hold off quenching right away between heats. Wait until the business end is just a little bit cooler than how I was normally doing it. So I want to make the round taper a little bit more blunt on this one, and then on the very end I want to draw that out just to a little chisel point, just to a little slitter. The reason being is I'd like to use this slit-to-round punch when I don't want to remove any material or very, very minimal material from a hole. Like when I'm making a pair of tongs from maybe a little bit smaller diameter rod. My Hardy hot cutting was less than clean, so I just hot cut this with the hacksaw. I need to give a big shout out to Mike Llewellyn. He's also one of the supporters that goes all in with purchases and donations, and he recently added a lot of extra cheese on top of his usual donating. So, thanks, Mike. So, a simple idea, nothing revolutionary, but I think this will help me accomplish the round holes that I want without removing any material. So, for this simple giveaway, I'm giving away one of these style coffee mugs from my spread shop. Just leave a comment down below and you'll be entered. I plan to do a live stream exactly one day after I post this video, and I'll draw the winner then. So I caught myself quenching this punch a little quicker than I should have. Know thy steel. So it's only one use, but if I care for this properly, it should last. You might recall seeing me using this tong that I made very recently. It's from slightly thinner round stock, I think 13mm, and so I want to have as much material left around the rivet hole as possible, and this slit-to-round punch should help me accomplish that. It's looking good, and the business end of this is still sharp. Thanks for watching. Catch you guys at the live stream.